Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about interjections. So let's just begin. And this is one of the most important part of speech, right? So the title of our chapter is, of course, the interjection. What is the importance of interjection in a language? देखिए, interjections, they are those words which is used to express the feelings. ये क्या express करते हैं? Emotions of sorrow, happiness, excitement, disbelief, surprise, etc. कुछ interjections जो हैं, they are oh, hooray, alas, oh, etc. Right? Moving on to the exercise. First, we'll be completing with this. Correct the following sentences using the appropriate exclamation words. देखिए, alas, just look at the moon. I think it's fine. ये बिल्कुल ठीक है. Right? This sentence is correct actually. Hush, be quiet. हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, oh, please be quiet. God bless me. आप लिख सकते हैं, oh God. Right? Alas, he has failed. Oh, he has failed. Bravo. How beautiful the rain is. You can say, no need to write bravo. Hooray, we have won the match. This is absolutely correct. Right? Use interjection to complete the following. जैसे कि आप देखिए, keep it up. You can write oh. Just keep it up. I am glad. Right? That news is surprising. Oh, that news is surprising. Her pet died yesterday. आप लिख दीजिए alas. Right? This is tasty. Oh, this is very tasty. Right? Dash, I am very happy. Hooray. Right? How are you? You can write right? This is delicious. Oh, it's delicious. Right? Hooray, we have won the match again. Hooray, that's great. Right? So that was all about interjections. Please go through this and try to find more signs of more words of interjection while you are reading. Definitely बहुत सारे words आते हैं interjection के. So please keep doing hard work for your exam and do revise the previous concepts and keep reading each day and stay blessed. Thank you.